I have this rust spot on my tow hook on my Grand Cherokee. I saw a quick trick on how to remove rust on chrome. I wanted to test it out. There is a pretty big chunk of rust right here. Up there, it's more like a surface rust. I already did the other side as a test and real nice. Came out real nice. Uh, could use a little polish. I'm not used to work with chrome. I don't really know if it's gonna work well on this much rust. It's pretty simple. Use one of these. Clean with soapy water. A little more for lubrication. As you can see, it does work pretty well with any type of surface rust, but this was gone way too far and the rust was underneath the chrome plating, so the steel wool only removed the orange kind of around the big bubble. The chrome still looks shiny, that's why we use the finest grade of steel wool. This could be polished maybe, I don't really know. Pretty pleased with the result. The other one looked nice. They look a bit dull, that's because they were outside and it's pretty cold. Don't really know what to do with this though. So that's it. Steel wool, microfiber, a little bit of soapy water, a little rubbing and elbow grease. It looked fine.